Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look. A lot of you guys requested me to do an Eid makeup tutorial, so here it is. I was inspired by Hina Khan's makeup look and I love this look because it is very natural and subtle and also has a pop of color. So if you want to see how I do this look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime and dotting it all over my face, especially where I have large pores. And I want to minimize fine lines. So I apply it on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my nose and chin. And then with the help of this color bar buffing brush, I blend it really well. I love this primer because it really smoothens out my skin really well. Next, taking this L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh foundation. I'm gonna apply it all over my face with the help of my Real Techniques sponge, and it's a damp Real Techniques sponge. I love spending a lot of time blending my foundation because the more you blend the foundation, the more natural it looks. Because for me, the most important thing is a flawless base. But if you don't have a flawless base, then the other makeup products, they don't sit on the skin really well. And this foundation is amazing. I love using this foundation. This gives a very flawless look to the skin and it's got the right amount of dewy and matte in it. It is just perfect. Currently, this is my favorite foundation. Next, taking this REGAL Pro Conceal HD Concealer, I'm going to apply it in my under eye area. The salmon shade in it really helps to hide the dark circles. And then I'm blending it with the help of my damp sponge. Next, taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, I'm going to apply it on top of the REGAL Pro Conceal Concealer. This beautifully highlights the under eye area. It's absolutely not necessary for you to use two concealers, but I like using both. And then again blending it with the help of my damp Real Techniques sponge. Next, taking the Bharat & Doris loose powder, I'm just gonna dunk my Real Techniques sponge in it and apply it in my under eye area to set the concealer. I'm not going to bake it or let it sit there. I'm just blending it with the help of the sponge. What this does is it gives a very flawless effect, a very airbrush effect. And not taking any extra product, whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just setting the base. Next, taking Maybelline The Nudes palette, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and with the help of my Color Bar flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm not changing the shape of my brows or anything, I'm just filling them in. Then taking the Smashbox palette, I'm going to mix the brown shade and the maroonish shade. And I realized I picked up a lot of color because this palette is really pigmented. So with the eyeshadows, always go slow, build up the color as and when needed. And I'm using my Oriflame blending brush. So I'm slowly adding the color according to my preference. And I'm keeping on adding the color slowly till the time I'm happy with the intensity. Next, taking this peachy champagne shade, and the brush I'm using is from Studio West. It's a blending brush and I'm applying the color on the eyelids and also on my lower lash line. Then for the pop of color, I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Regal Green. I'm just drawing a line close to my upper lash line. And for this one also, I slowly build up the thickness. So I start with a very thin line and then gradually build it up. Also applying it with a very light hand on my lower lash line. Starting from the outer corner and taking it till the middle. I'm not going all the way to the inner corners, just stopping in the middle. And then I'm smudging it using my fingers. Then I'm going to wear false lashes and apply mascara. And the mascara I used is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now I'm going to take this Body Shop bronzer and bronze my face. So I'm applying it on my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead and jawline. Then I'm just softening up the effect of the bronzer by dabbing the sponge on those areas. Next, taking this Maybelline Master Blush palette, I'm going to use this peachy shade and apply it on the apples of my cheeks using the QVS blush brush. Then I'm gonna highlight my face using the highlighter from the same palette. And the brush I'm using is a Studio West foundation brush. And I'm gonna highlight all the high points of my face, my nose, cupid's bow, chin, brow bone, on my cheekbones, and a little bit on my forehead. Then taking the Lakme Iconic Kajal, I'm gonna tight line my eyes very, very lightly. Then for lipstick, I'm applying a peach shade from Lakme. And then using this beautiful pink shade from L'Oreal. Also, I forgot to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, so doing it now. And this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. And if you did, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram also, because I've been uploading a lot of stories related to my skincare routine. And I'm gonna link my Instagram account in the description box below. Wish you all a very happy Eid, Eid Mubarak, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.